Everybody knows water is the most important part of our daily life. However, in some states, cities and some other countries water supply from local governments is not so good. That is why people go out to buy bottled water. We found an article by Dr. Axe explaining the harmful effects of plastic bottles affected to our bodies. Please take a few minutes to listen and focus on this valuable information on how plastic bottled water affects our health risks. Drinking water from plastic bottles may lead to hormonal disruptions, fertility issues, and an increased risk of cancer.
Hey guys, Dr. Axe here, founder of draxe.com and Dr. Natural Medicine. Hey, I want to talk to you about the dangers of plastic bottles. Now, these are things that most people consume almost every day. I mean, whether you're stopping at a gas station or grocery store, lots of us are drinking it out of plastic. But here's what I want to tell you, is that these plastics are not necessarily a natural material. What happens is they can accumulate toxins in our body over time, which have both foreseen and unforeseen consequences to our bodies. Here's some fast facts. Americans buy 500 million, think about that, 500 million bottles of water every single week. That's enough to circle the globe 5 times, and it costs 2,000 times more than tap water. So again, bottled water is something that obviously is a more recent phenomenon, but again, these things are adding up and actually causing health issues in millions of people around the world. So let's talk about what's in bottled water and the risks. Number one, they contain hormone-disrupting chemicals. Now, most of us have heard by now of a compound called BPA, that's bisphenol A, and BPA has been shown to be an endocrine disruptor. So this is going to cause issues with hormones, whether it be estrogen and progesterone, testosterone. It's going to throw off these hormones and cause issues like infertility, can increase PCOS, can cause low testosterone in men. You don't want to drink out of plastic bottles if you can help it, especially those with bisphenol A. But again, hormone disrupting chemicals, that's what's in our water. Number two, antimony trioxide. Now, antimony is a compound that's found in the earth. It's a metal element, but this is actually found in a lot of plastic bottles. So imagine that you've heard press on the dangers of mercury from silver fillings. We've heard the dangers of lead-based paints and eating those and being exposed. We've heard also of even arsenic in some of our food supply. Well, antimony falls into the same category with those, to where if you have too much of it, it's neurotoxic, has been linked to heart and cardiovascular issues, liver issues, kidney issues, but it's a toxin to the body. And again, many of this is found in bottled water and antimony. Number three, 5,000 chemicals discovered from what's, a lot of times when buying bottled water, there's tap water in there, which there are more chemicals in there. But also, again, just the chemicals found in plastic alone are severely toxic to the body, and they're not natural for the body to handle. So really, it's causing liver toxicity. You may not realize this, but if your liver becomes overly toxic, it actually affects your hormones as well. Your liver is actually part of what filters out and detoxes excessive estrogen in the body. Hey, one of the biggest causes of infertility today in PCOS is when women get estrogen too high and progesterone gets too low. Well, if estrogen gets too high, your body needs to lower it. You know what? It can't do that when your liver's too toxic. So again, this contributes to that issue as well. Here are other bottled water risks. Plastic pollution. Think of doing to our environment. Plastic does not degrade naturally as other things do over time. And so what it's going to do, we're polluting the ocean, we're polluting the earth as well. It's resource intensive. Resources it's taking and what we're having to do to produce plastic can destroy the earth as well. And then also, there are safer solutions out there today. Think about this, especially when we're talking about drinking water and your own personal health and safety. It's easy to make the switch to glass or to stainless steel. And those are the two things in the Axe household we use every single day. You'll see lots of glass, lots of stainless steel, much healthier and safer options there as well. So listen, get rid of the plastic, get rid of the bisphenol A, phthalates, and all the other chemicals. Use glass, use stainless steel. By doing that, you're going to avoid all of these environmental issues, all of these personal health risks as well. And hey, if you've enjoyed this live training video and appreciate the warning here about plastic, take a minute right now. Hey, make sure to subscribe here to my YouTube channel. Also, hey, I've got a lot more articles coming out. If you want help with any specific condition, just Google search my name, such as Dr. Axe PCOS, Dr. Axe low testosterone. I've written articles on almost every health issue you can imagine, done a lot of videos here as well. So hey, search on YouTube, my name, search on Google, and I think you'll find more information to help you reach your next level of health. Guys, thanks for watching. Remember, stay away from plastic bottles.
Did you hear Dr. Axe talking about the dangers of using bottled water? It costs money and time in the long run. Here's the solution if you are concerned about your health and family. For over 50 years, Enagic has been a global leader in innovative water technology, with Kangen water becoming a household name in millions of homes. The Enagic has offices across 26 countries. Unlike fleeting trends, Enagic boasts a long and trusted history, with a presence in 43 locations worldwide. Enagic utilizes a sophisticated process called electrolysis to create something truly special: hydrogen-rich, electrolyzed reduced alkaline drinking water. This translates to a tastier and potentially healthier way to hydrate, with certifications that surpass most bottled water options. Kangen water produces 5 types of water. For drinking, Kangen water goes beyond mere refreshment. It's certified as a medical device and meets the stringent standards set by the Water Quality Association in both the USA and Canada. Intrigued by the idea of ditching plastic bottles and elevating your daily hydration routine? Look no further. Contact Mr. Thieu, a distributor in Canada, to learn more about Kangen water and see if it's the right fit for you.